Look at her. She's like, well, how come our realtor's not here? Look at this guy. What do they think they're doing?
This is great for nosy neighbors because now they are either going to also refer you or they're going to want to know, well, what's going on over there.
Check this out. You see this house is on the corner, right?
Hmm.
There was an open house right on the next corner, right here. Nobody showed up. You think we picked up the other listing?
Yeah.
You should say yes. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to show you now the games that we play when we're inside the house. You ready? To make realtors drive the price up on homes. Watch this. This is all scripted, by the way. This is all a script. All right, let's stop. I told agents when they came to this open house, this is an agent with her client, bring your contracts with you. She's negotiating a contract on the table right now. Bring your contract in my marketing, bring your contracts with you, agents. This house will sell same day. This agent's brought her clients with her. Look at her. Watch this. All right, I am here at the open house and I'm with this beautiful. Now I get video testimonials at the open house that I can market forever. This is a video testimonial that I'm going to cut out and use later and send to a seller that wants to sell their house. You ready? Here we go. Lady, what's your name?
Brenda Smith, and ma'am, your home is beautiful. I love it. When I first walked in, it felt like home. I just love it, and I just pray that you take my offer in big consideration.
Yes.
I can see my granddogs in the backyard, which is wonderful. It's enough space for my daughter and myself. I love it, and I will treat your home with care. I tell you, it is beautiful. Please, Brenda Smith, take my offer in consideration. Thank
Sounds
you.
like we got a tough decision to make. We got 5 going on 6, so we'll keep y'all posted. So I'm doing this in front of other realtors, telling them we have 5 offers, getting ready to have 6 offers, right? Most real estate agents like, I can't tell you if we have an offer. There's nothing in the law that says that. You guys are making these limiting beliefs up in your head. I said we got 5 offers. Now we're going on 6. Other realtors are in here looking at me like this guy is crazy. All right, I'm here with Jeff.
Hi.
You're at the open house.
Yes, sir.
How much do you love this house, Jeff?
We love it very much.
Loving it, and you want to put an offer in?
Yes, we do.
I can't wait to get it. I hope it's all cash in a Brinks truck.
So hopefully we'll get this thing.
All right, thank you, man. Appreciate
Thank
it. Charlene, give me some feedback. How's it going today?
It's an amazing day.
Amazing.
We've had a great group of people that's come in looking. So you have
3 offers.
3 offers
So
that
far.
we know of.
So now I can use it to recruit real estate agents on top of it. You got it? All right. I'm done. I can't give you no more. Y'all don't need to worry about how getting paid. Just know that you will.
Awesome.
Okay? I will show you
This
what
is
to
great.
do. No. So all I want to know is this is how you repay me. I could charge you $2,500 to teach you this. And it would be worth it to you to learn how to do this. I just gave it to you for free. The only way you repay me and say, and this is how you tell me thank you. Go do it. Go do it. This is how you repay me. Don't come to these meetings and get information and don't do anything with it and be broke. Don't do it. Go do it. Pick up the phone and call these people. Oh, you need a script.
Yes.
I didn't understand that.
Who was that? Siri's
Siri. Siri.
Siri's desperate. Look, Siri's desperate for information. I love it. Let me make sure y'all have what y'all need before y'all leave. That's how you pay me back. Don't say, Anthony, thanks for the training. Go freaking implement it. Show me your commission check.
Amen.
And I don't want 1 penny from you. All right, let me give you my script.
Could you do the same thing with the house that's listed?
No, you cannot approach a house that's listed.
Okay.
Unless an agent. So let me help you because y'all getting into good. Who asked that question? That's a great question.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Jill. Jill, oh, I love you, Jill. Great question.